Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. I'm kind of nervous, but it's about my truck. Uh, I just got it from my 15th birthday. I'm barely 15, and everybody was saying to do a YouTube channel about it. So I'm gonna show y'all the truck so y'all can see how it looks and stuff. So what I'm gonna do real fast, I'm gonna put this sticker on it. I go for the Cowboys, and yeah, I'm gonna put the sticker on the truck. Alright, so this is the truck. Okay, y'all see it real good. Allá poquillo la mamalona. Estaba con la cliquilla, no sé qué cliquilla estaba, whatever. But the truck right now it's kind of lifted. It's kind of like normal. But I want to drop it. I want to drop it. So right now real fast, I'm gonna just put the sticker on it and then I'm gonna turn it on. So I'm gonna clean it real fast. I don't know what the hell it is. I'm gonna try to clean it. Oops, that shit fall. I'm gonna try to clean it to put it right here. Look at that. Alright. Ahí lo estoy poniendo. It's already. Está quedando y you need to push it down so it sticks. Ahí está cut. Ya quedó. Cowboys fans. Ya quedó. La Mamaloni. I'm ready to get a center console too. No tiene center console. I'm trying to get a system for it. I want to get some DSC Teens Chrome tips right here. The titties. I need to get some new speakers. I'm kind of fucked up. Sound kind of fucked up. And the stereo, it's really good. I like it a lot. It was hard to connect to Bluetooth. Pero ahorita la prendo para que la vean. La mamalona. Ahí está, ya la prendí la mamalona. I'm gonna try to drop it. That's the first thing I wanna do to it. I wanna drop it, like quiero bajar. I don't know, 6'4", no sé cómo bajarla. Yo voy a mi dad las hace drop los trucks y pues quiero ir que me la drop. Pero yeah, that's all I wanna do to it for now. I wanna get the speakers and the subs. Pero I wanna get more into like the motor, like to make it faster. But yeah. That's it for right now. That's all I'm gonna take a video of and pues es lo que quiero hacer. I wanna start my YouTube channel if I see love, if I see y'all subscribing and all that. Pues I'm gonna start making more videos, pero lo que quiero hacer por mientras es nomás les quiero enseñar cómo se veía la troca y todo. Y pues le necesitaba como el sticker ese, so dije pues voy a aprovechar. Pero cuando vaya la haga drop, I'm gonna record and stuff so y'all can see. And I'm gonna try to get a new camera because I'm recording with my phone right now. So yeah. Pero I'm gonna try to get a new camera. It's my brother's Corvette. I don't know if y'all seen him in the street. Had cut. Yeah, but he's fixing it right now. And well, I'm gonna try to go to my dad's and drop it. But when I go drop it, I'm gonna record so y'all can see como hacen drop y todo. I thank you guys. Subscribe, please, and like.